Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we will be shopping at Trader Joe's to look at all of their fall finds. Don't forget to check out the description box below to check out my other fall shopping videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Here they have this Pumpkin Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream priced at $4.99. They're starting to get their fall candles out. This is the Vanilla Pumpkin for $3.99. They also have the Honeycrisp Apple scented candle priced at $3.99 as well, and it smells so good. And then they also have a candle set here with the 3 scents priced at $9.99. And then they also have this Honey Hydration Daily Cream priced at $7.99. It's a day and night cream. And then they also have this pumpkin body butter, which is really nice. I have this and it smells so good. And it is currently priced at $4.99, which I feel like is a great deal for all of that. Here is this orange and spice scented candle and room spritz spray priced at $5.99. And then they also have this spice cider priced at $3.99. This is perfect for the fall time. And then they also have these apple cider donuts, which look so good, and they are priced at $4.49. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to check out this video featured here. Thanks for watching. Bye.